Where is my manifestation? I feel like nothing is happening. Is this really working? Thoughts like this stop manifestation faster than a lightning bolt. It will self-sabotage the successive way for any individual. That kind of thinking is ego-based thinking. It's always searching for outside of itself in the physical world for the result. Where's the manifestation? When's it going to come? Where's all this stuff going, right? All of these thoughts are self-sabotaging thoughts. Literally, it's an energy we're sending out to the universe on a continuous basis, and the universe sends it right back to us because we are one with the universe. We want to avoid these thoughts like the plague. We want to get away from those thoughts, and ultimately, we want to be in more divine thought. We want to be in more good thought. Like, what can I do today to better myself? What can I do today to increase the frequency I'm living on? What can I do today to better align with abundance, right? So these are good questions and good thoughts change into good feelings change into good vibration changes to good results, good actions, good behaviors, and allowing the universe to actually manifest with us, right? So we don't want to have those thoughts whatsoever. The other ones at the very start of this video, the ones to avoid, we don't want to ask, where's my manifestation? Where's my manifestation? We don't want to ask that. We want to ask more, how can I prepare myself? How can I be more ready for the good I desire?